Hello everyone, my name is Robert Marzullo from Ram Studio Comics, and welcome to my course on how to improve your figure drawing. In this course, I'll be teaching you how to break down figure drawing and simplify the process. One of the best ways to enhance your abilities for drawing figures is to log in lots of hours, lots of studies. So I want to show you the way that I break things down and build them back up, and how I commit more of this to memory. Over the past 20 years, I've been a comic book illustrator, a storyboard artist, and even performed caricatures for parties. And with each of these art forms, I've had to hone my abilities to draw characters and figures in a desirable fashion. So what I want to show you is how I hone those skills and how I utilize them to do that type of work. So in this course, you'll get to work alongside with me as I break down a variety of these figures. I use perspective to help with foreshortening, and just generally share you tips and tricks that I use every day to create my artwork. And keep in mind, you'll also get copies of all the artwork that's created here so that you can follow along and study them and scrutinize them and kind of figure out your own process as we work through this. We'll be breaking down each component of the body and drawing them separately, and that process will allow you to really look into the forms a bit more and see how the individual parts kind of work, and then we'll assemble them as a whole. And the reason why I think that helps so much is if you just get right into figure drawing, you get a little bit bogged down by the complexity of it. So if you itemize each area and separate them into their smaller components, but then reassemble them, you'll get a better understanding of how to draw complex forms and complex scenes without feeling so overwhelmed by the process. We'll also talk about studying from life and creating gesture drawings, and even drawing at different time intervals and what benefits that holds as well. I think it's very important to be realistic about what you can create and how long it takes you to create certain parts of your artwork. It also helps you to gauge what you need to study next. So by the end of this course, you should have a lot better understanding of how to complete your own figure drawings. And just remember that sheer practice and filling up those sketchbooks and creating lots of files, lots of artwork is really going to teach you the most. But these building block fundamentals that I'll be teaching you here should give you a better understanding and a better point to start from to create more and more figure drawings on your own. So I'm very excited to teach you this course. I hope you're excited to learn it, and I hope to hear from you soon. Keep drawing, keep having fun, and bye for now.